Hello, my name is Hakan Yeni, and I'm a senior high school student and aspire in educational institutions. As a part of the Microsoft AI Innovators internship, I created this Titanic exploratory data analysis project. In this project, I used Python, Pandas, and Matplotlib to investigate the relationship of four different core passenger features with their survival status. At first, I acquired my data and investigated the dataset. I start by importing my libraries and setting the figure sizes. I imported my dataset and start to investigate from start to the end. Then I check for non-null values, and then I checked for null values. I corrected the null values to ensure clarity in the graphs that we will see later on. At second step, I start to analyze and visualize the dataset. These are the most basic graphs that shows the relationship between the core passenger features with their survival rates. These graphs are detailed later on, and they are investigated by core main features one by one. This is survival rate of passengers by sex, survival rate of females by class, and survival rate of males by class. In this graph, two core passenger features are combined to ensure clarity and give a better comparison between two core features. Then the colors of the bars in the bar graph changed to ensure clarity and give a better output. The passenger rate distribution is the same graph as we've seen above, but I want to include it to ensure clarity. We've analyzed all the dataset by using bar graphs. However, I also want to include scatter graphs to show the relationship between survival rates and four core passenger features by also mentioning their correlation. As you can see, age decade does not have any correlation, while passenger class, embarkation port, and gender has correlations with survival rate. When I try to combine all core passenger features in a single graph, I've got a broken graph. To fix this, we need to write a new code where we take mean values and set alpha values to ensure clarity. As you can see, all of the core passenger features are combined in a single graph that shows their survival rate. At the end of the project, I've seen that the age didn't have any correlation with survival rate. However, class, embarkation status, and passenger gender had strong correlations with survival rate. This project can be improved by using a large language model and training this dataset to predict the passenger survival rate. Throughout this project, I learned how to use Matplotlib and reinforce my pandas and Python skills. Thank you for your time and attention. I sincerely want to thank Barbaros Günay for making this opportunity possible. Thank you.